everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to DM someone on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the chats option at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now search for the person that you would like to send DM. Tap on the person's ID. Now tap on the inbox icon at the bottom of your screen. Enter a text and then tap on the send button. And this is how you can DM someone on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.